The dual nozzle extruder on the H2D is a great piece of technology, but as with anything with moving parts, a little maintenance is required to keep it running smoothly. In this video, we'll cover how to access the left nozzle lift rail on the H2D, how to clean it, and how to re-oil it. So let's take a look. I recently published a video going through the regular maintenance recommended for the H2 range of Bambu Lab printers. I decided to keep this as a separate dedicated tutorial, as this is a little more hands-on than what was being covered in that one, and it's also specific to the dual nozzle extruder of the H2D and presumably the H2C. This is for the small linear rail that the left nozzle moves up and down on when the printer is switching between nozzles. This task will involve removing any debris from the area and re-oiling it to prevent issues. For this task, you'll need some precision tweezers, some lubricant oil, I'd recommend Superlube synthetic oil with PTFE, and an H2 hex screwdriver or Allen key. Ensuring that there's no filament loaded into the extruder, once the nozzles are cool enough for you to be able to touch safely, turn the printer off and let's get started.
Let's start by powering the printer down and then removing the left nozzle from the toolhead. To do that, move the flow blocker to the right, which should move the left nozzle down. Then simply remove the silicone sock, unclip the nozzle and remove it, pulling the bottom out first. If it feels a bit stuck, try pressing the left cutter arm firmly, then trying again. Now remove the plastic front cover of the extruder carriage and let's take a look underneath. Depending on which batch your printer came in, you'll have either 3 or 4 screws here. You'll definitely have these 3, but you may not have this one. Using the H2 screwdriver, remove these 3 screws, and if you have it, remove this one as well. Once they're removed, use your left thumb to reach inside and push up on the black sprung part, and use your left index finger to push close the left cutter arm. Then, using a finger on your right hand, pry forward the bottom right corner of the filament guide. It should then come away from the toolhead. Above and behind the left nozzle bracket, you should see a small metal vertical rail. This is what we're interested in here. As it's generally pretty enclosed here, we don't need to worry too much about actively cleaning it, but with a pair of precision tweezers, remove any debris or blockages, if there are any, both from the revealed nozzle area and in the back of the filament guide that you removed. Preferably with a fine tip on the oil bottle, apply a small drop of oil to either side of the rail. Make sure not to apply too much or to spray it elsewhere in this area. This only needs to be a small amount. Now let's put this back together. This bit can be a bit fiddly, but be patient with yourself and you will get this back together. Holding the left cutter arm, press in the sprung block in the filament guide and get it lined up back on the front of the toolhead. Then press both cutter arms together firmly, and whilst you do this, press the filament guide in so it's sitting flush. You may need to adjust the amount of press on the right cutter arm at different points. Refit the screws that you removed earlier, ensuring that they are finger tight. Refit the nozzle, and then power the printer back on. On the touchscreen, go to the control window, select the nozzle and extruder, and switch between the left and right nozzles several times to help spread the oil fully along the rail. Pop the toolhead front cover back on, and that's it, you're done.
Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, a like is always appreciated. Just as a reminder, I've popped links to all the items that I use for this in the video description. If you are about to do maintenance on your H2D, make sure you check out my H2 maintenance guide that I published recently, as well as watching my video on how to make the process of cleaning and re-greasing the Z-axis lead screws much easier. As always, thanks very much for watching, and until next time, happy printing. A huge thank you to my channel members for your support. If you would like to join them, getting early access to my videos, a discount on 3drevolutionstore.com and more, hit join below any of my videos. For now, why not watch my Z-axis lead screw cleaning video or pop on one of my other videos to learn something new or have some fun. Thanks very much everyone, and until next time, happy printing.